Morning students. Last video we had discussed physical properties of haloalkane and haloarine compounds. Now we will move towards chemical properties or chemical reactions of haloalkane haloarine compounds. Three types of reactions shown by them. Chemical reactions. तीन reaction हम discuss करेंगे. First is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. Second, we will discuss about elimination reaction. Elimination reaction. And third reaction we will discuss, that is reaction with metal. Total three reaction given by haloalkane and haloarine. Chemical reactions of haloalkane and haloarine. Okay. First we are discussing nucleophilic substitution reaction. What do you mean by nucleophile? Nucleophile, electrophile. Nucleophile is Lewis base, negatively charged or neutral, which has tendency to donate their electron pair. They are called nucleophile. They are Lewis base, maybe negative or neutral, but they have tendency to donate their electron pair. They are known as nucleophile. कौन से होते हैं nucleophile? ऐसे denote करते हैं अपन. Cn is a nucleophile, है ना? NO2 is a nucleophile. OH is nucleophile. OR is nucleophile. CH3 COO minus is a nucleophile. They are termed as nucleophiles. Okay? एक टाइप के न्यूक्लियोफाइल होते हैं जो इनमें क्या होता है, जैसे ये जो मैंने न्यूक्लियोफाइल लिखे हैं ये वाले, only one atom can donate its electron pair. जैसे among OH, oxygen has lone pair, so it will give its electron pair and form a bond with carbon. Here also oxygen will form a bond. Here also oxygen form bond with carbon atom. But there are some nucleophiles in which two atoms will donate their electron pair or form bond with carbon atom. They are called ambident nucleophile. So what are ambident nucleophile? Ambident nucleophile. Like CN, cyanide, and NC. Ambident nucleophile. Why? Because in CN, carbon can form bond with another carbon atom. Nitrogen can also form bond with another carbon atom. So these are called ambident nucleophile. Similarly, NO2, it is ambident nucleophile. Nitrogen can form bond with carbon of the organic compound. Even oxygen can form bond with carbon of the organic compound. So this is called ambident nucleophile. Another example is SCN, thiocyanate ion. So ambident nucleophile means what? The nucleophiles in which there are two atoms which can bonded with carbon of organic compound. They are known as ambident nucleophile. तो ये तो पढ़ा हमने nucleophile क्या होता है. अब haloalkane haloarine nucleophilic substitution reactions कैसे देते हैं, कौन सी reactions है, फिर उनका mechanism पढ़ेंगे. सबसे पहले why they give nucleophilic substitution reactions. What is the reaction taking place? RH, which is haloalkane. Okay. This is called substrate. What is it called? Substrate. इस पे एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल ऐड करते हैं. How the reaction will take place? This halogen will move out and nucleophile will attach here. This is called leaving group. What is it called? Leaving group. ये छोड़ के जाएगा और न्यूक्लियोफाइल उसकी जगह पे सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाएगा. प्रोडक्ट क्या बनेगा? R and U, and X will be separated with its electron pair. Halide ion will be formed. This is called halide ion and this is called product. So carbon halogen bond will break. Halogen leave the molecule, nucleophile takes the place of halogen. Reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. Why they give nucleophilic substitution reaction? Because carbon-halogen bond is polar bond. We know halogen is more electronegative than carbon. It gets partial negative charge and carbon gets partial positive charge. So when nucleophile add to it, what will happen? This nucleophile will get attracted toward positively charged carbon and replaces X, and instead of X, nucleophile will attach and the product will be formed. Nucleophile powerful होना चाहिए ताकि इसको replace कर सके. So this type of reactions are characteristics reactions of haloalkane compounds and they are known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. ये खुद एक nucleophile है, halogen भी खुद एक nucleophile है. एक nucleophile निकल गया और दूसरा nucleophile उसमें add हो गया. That's why the reactions are known as nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now see some examples of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Table it is given so many reactions. Suppose first reaction we have haloalkane RX. When it is treated with nucleophile, in table it is given so many compounds, what type of nucleophile they have and what are the product obtained. सब tabular form में दिया हुआ है, कैसे है देखो इधर. When RX is treated with either NaOH or KOH, this is substrate, this is source of nucleophile. Which nucleophile in this? OH is the nucleophile. This is nucleophile. What is the product obtained? X get replaced by OH. So product will be alcohol and NaX will be removed. So alcohol is the product formed by substitution of OH nucleophile with X. Second type of reaction is given as alkyl halide haloalkane when treated with water, H2O. Water itself is a nucleophile because it has source of electron. So what will happen? OH will replaces X, again alcohol is formed, HX will be removed. Clear? Third is when haloalkane treated with the NaOR, sodium alkoxide, NaOR, sodium alkoxide. This is source of nucleophile. What is nucleophile in sodium alkoxide? OR dash. OR dash is a nucleophile. So X will be replaced by OR dash. So R, OR dash will be formed and NaX will be removed. क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Ether. Ether is the product obtained from alkyl halide by nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next is sodium iodide. Fourth, haloalkane when treated with NaI. What is nucleophile in NaI? I. I get replaced by X. You had studied this reaction. याद आया? This is called Wilkinson reaction. To prepare iodoalkanes from sodium iodide in acetone. It is a type of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next, fifth reaction given in the book, that is with ammonia. Alkyl halide when treated with ammonia, which is a source of nucleophile, we get amine RNH2 and HX will be formed. This is called 1 degree amine compound. 1 degree amine compounds itself is a nucleophile. 1 degree amine compounds are also nucleophile. What happens when 1 degree amine compounds combine with RX? Sixth reaction, R dash NH2. It is a source of nucleophile. Still nitrogen has lone pair. So this X get replaced by RNH. Here the nucleophile is RNH. This is nucleophile. So product obtained will be RNH, R dash. Suppose this is R dash, then HX will be removed. This is called secondary amine, 2 degree amine. 2 degree amine again act as a nucleophile. Here lone pair is there. So 3 degree amine will be obtained. R, N, R and R dash plus HX will be removed. 3 degree amine is the product. So nitrogen having lone pair will act as nucleophile. Other nucleophilic substitution reaction given as KCN, RX with KCN and AgCN. Very important reaction. Rx when treated with KCN, we get cyanide plus KX byproduct. And when Rx is treated with AgCN, we get RNC and AgX is obtained. Cyanide, isocyanide. What is the reason? CN is ambident nucleophile. I told you. What type of nucleophile is CN? Ambident. In this case, KCN is ionic compound. Potassium cyanide is ionic compound. It will break as K plus and Cn minus. So carbon will join to another carbon atom. AgCN is covalent compound. Bond will not break between Ag and Cn. Nitrogen will be the donor atom for, act as a nucleophilic center, nitrogen. So nitrogen will combine with carbon this way, and then Ag will be removed. So isocyanide is formed. So what is the reason? In KCN it is cyanide, in AgCN it is isocyanide. Because KCN is ionic compound, AgCN is covalent compound. This is ionic and this is covalent. That's the reason cyanide and isocyanides are formed. Next example is given as NO2. That is also ambident nucleophile. When haloalkane is treated with NO2, KNO2 and AgNO2, with KNO2 it forms RONO, that is nitrite, alkyl nitrite. While with this it forms NO2, nitroalkane. Again the reason is same. One is covalent and another one is ionic compound. That's why. Next is Ag, RCOOAg, silver acetate. What is nucleophile in it? RCOO. So product obtained will be RCOOR. Ester is formed and the byproduct is AgX. They all are nucleophilic centers, these compounds. They act as nucleophile center, nucleophilic compound है, इसमें से nucleophile attack करेगा. The last is lithium aluminum hydride. Which is nucleophile in lithium aluminum hydride? Hydride ion. This is nucleophile. So it will combine with R and form RH, and rest of the product will be byproduct. So alkane is formed. The last nucleophilic center is metal, alkyl metal, R-M. Here R- is nucleophilic center. So product obtained will be RR-, MX will be the byproduct. This is called alkane. In all these reactions, halogen nucleophile is substituted by another nucleophile. The reaction is called nucleophilic substitution reaction. 3 एग्जाम्पल बता के खत्म करती हूँ. Number 1, suppose we have ethyl chloride, CH3, CH2, Cl. Clear? When it is treated with, suppose, ammonia, what's the product obtained? कोई पूछे आपसे, what type of reaction it is? What is the product obtained in this? It is nucleophilic center, haloalkane. Product will be CH3, CH2, NH2, and HCl will be the byproduct. What is nucleophile? NH2 is a nucleophile. Cl replaced by NH2. Ethane amine is formed. What's the product? Ethane amine is obtained. Clear? Second example, suppose it is given methyl chloride treated with KCN. What's the product obtained? You know, cyanide is nucleophile. Replaces this. Product is CH3CN plus KCl byproduct. Anunam, ethane nitrile. Just go through IUPAC nomenclature. Suppose they'll tell you CH3, CH2, Br treated with AgCN. What is the product obtained? Product obtained will be CH3, CH2NC. Isocyanide will be formed. Because AgCN is covalent compound and it forms isocyanide compound. This is also nucleophilic substitution reaction. Clear? Next is, suppose we have CH3Cl when treated with lithium aluminum hydride, hydrogen will get added. What's the product? CH4, HCl will be the byproduct. Methane will be formed. So these all are the types of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Anyone they will ask you to explain या complete what is the type of reaction. Reaction લખી દીધી પછી type પૂછે. આવી રીતના લખી દીધું આપણને કે CH3CH2CH2Cl plus NaI. What is the product obtained? It's CH3CH2CH2I plus NaCl. पूछेगा what type of reaction it is? It is nucleophilic substitution reaction. And other name is Wilkinson reaction, because when iodo compound is formed, it is called Wilkinson reaction. What type of reaction is Wilkinson reaction? It is nucleophilic substitution reaction. So haloalkane compounds have one of the characteristic reaction, and that is known as nucleophilic substitution reaction. Next video we will discuss about mechanism of nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay, bye.